KATC Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, after a wet start to the day, it's been dry in the afternoon and finally a peek of the sun at sunset, and tomorrow the first sunny day in 10 days. So get out and enjoy it if you can. Maybe an outdoor lunch if you can as well. The sun will be limited. Plenty of clouds coming back and warmer temperatures by the weekend. And then pretty good rain chances developing into next week as the storm track gets closer to us. So let's take a look at the big picture where the storm track has been off to the north. First off, Justin Terrell getting this weather shot with the cloud cover, and well, the sign kind of looks a little sad here, a little bent, tired of the cloud cover. I think that's how we all have been feeling, but tomorrow we'll be upright looking at the sun out there. It's going to be a beautiful day. So big picture as we look at the storm tracks across the U.S., Pacific Northwest, Intermountain West, then the Great Lakes, the Northeast. These are where the big storms have been going, in the winter storms and the trailing frontal boundaries. And it's been a pretty active pattern. So we've seen these quick warm-ups and then cool downs and then another warm-up. Tonight we'll be chilling down, but we'll be back into the lower 70s, we think, by Thursday afternoon. High-resolution satellite imagery showing the back edge of those cirrus clouds beginning to thin out and clear out across much of Acadiana, and we'll be clear, most of us, by 10 o'clock tonight. St. Mary Parish may take a little bit longer, and in the wake with clear skies, we'll see temperatures dropping nicely this evening. As for rain totals, we got a nice little rain total across portions of Lafayette. Much of Acadiana catching about a ½ inch to an inch of rain. Some spots down towards St. Mary Parish, lower St. Martin Parish on northeastward caught an 1.5 inches, and some spots 2 inches of rainfall. So some much needed rain across the area, and that was certainly good news. And we'll get rid of that and go back to the Doppler and see there's not a whole lot going on. Temperatures today a little bit cooler than forecast, with the rainfall lasting a little bit later in the day. So mostly in the 50s. Our official high today was 71, but that was set shortly before 4 a.m. You can see temperatures a little bit milder back toward Texas thanks to the sunshine there this afternoon. Meanwhile, conditions offshore coming up out here. Small craft advisories have been posted as high pressures building on in, but that breeze will be gradually diminishing as the day wears on. So high pressure moving in, lots of sunshine tomorrow. In fact, after a chilly start, almost a mild finish with high pressure overhead, we're going to have very light winds. So temperatures in the lower 60s are going to feel a good 5 to 7 degrees milder if you're out in the sun. Of course, it feels like the actual temperature if you're in the shade. And then as we go into tomorrow evening, maybe a few high-level cirrus clouds for a nice sunset. And then we move on into Thursday. We're going to see that high pressure shuttle off a little bit farther to the east. Return flow comes out of the Gulf of Mexico. Breezy south to southwest winds. We'll call it partly to mostly cloudy. Temperatures not quite as cool. Lower 50s at wake-up time Thursday, but Thursday afternoon we'll see readings in the upper 60s to lower 70s, and it'll be nice and mild as we head into the weekend as well. So overnight tonight, temperatures chilling down. Northern parishes of Acadiana, upper 30s to near 40, but far enough above freezing to not worry about frost for tonight. Upper 30s, lower 40s, I-10 corridor will go 41 in Lafayette. And then as we get down along the coast, upper 30s to lower 40s as well. Then after that chilly start, we warm up nicely, mid 60s. The normal high this time of year, 65 degrees. So we will be right on mark for a change. Tomorrow night, upper 40s early, lower 50s later toward daybreak as the clouds come in and the winds turn around out of the south. Breezy southerly winds as we head into Thursday with temperatures right in the lower 70s for your high. So clearing skies tonight, breezy this evening, early this evening, but winds diminishing late and a little bit of a winter chill out there. Then tomorrow, just a gorgeous day. The first sunny day in 10 days going back to February 2nd, and maybe the last sunny day for the next 10 days, as we'll see plenty of clouds. A little sun here and there Thursday, Friday into the weekend, but mostly cloudy skies dominating. Then we go into next week, and it looks like pretty good rain chances just about each and every day at some point, with cool temperatures initially Monday as a cold front gets here during the day on Sunday. Then we warm up again Tuesday, so the roller coaster temperatures continue. But it does look like we getting into a wetter pattern toward the end of next week, and eventually we are going to see some pretty good rains. We're thinking toward the end of next week as well.
So enjoy Wednesday. I think that's the take home.
That is the takeaway from that. Yes.
All righty.
Yeah.
Got a cough developing.
Boy, I tell you.